First question. Cordillera in North America is a mountain system. The North American Cordillera is a broad mountain belt extends north from Mexico to Alaska. Question number 2. Chinook is a warm wind in North America. Chinook is a warm and dry local winds blowing in leeward side of Rockies Mountain of North America. Chinook is also called as snow eater. Third question. Mr. Hex has been invited to participate in a conference to be held at Buenos Aires. He has chosen the following shortest flight route: Mumbai to Frankfurt, Frankfurt to Sao Paulo, Sao Paulo to Buenos Aires. Which of the following sea will likely to be flown over by Mr. X? Answer is Black Sea. The Black Sea is the body of water and marginal sea of the Atlantic Ocean between Eastern Europe, the Caucasus and Western Asia. Hence, Black Sea will likely to be flown over by Mr. X. Question number 4. The expression South Asia usually includes South Asia or Southern Asia is the southern region of Asia which is defined in both geographical and ethno-cultural terms. The region consists of Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Maldives, Nepal, Pakistan and Sri Lanka. Question number 5. When we consider 15-degree meridian on a world map or globe and count them in an eastward direction starting in Greenwich meridian, we find that the time in this meridian is 1 hour fast. As the earth rotates from west to east, those places east of Greenwich will be ahead of Greenwich time and those to the west will be behind it. The earth rotates 360 degree in about 24 hours, which means 50 degree an hour or 1 degree in 4 minutes. Thus, when it is 12 noon at Greenwich, the time at 15 degree east of Greenwich will be 1 hour ahead of Greenwich time. Question number 6. What is the similarity between Milwaukee Deep, Java Trench and Challenger's Deep? They are the deepest point of the Atlantic, Indian and Pacific Ocean respectively. Which one among the following best explains the reason for the eastern and western boundaries of the Pacific Ocean experience frequent earthquake? The current of the vast Pacific Ocean continue to dash against the continental margin. Question number 8. Consider the following statement about Barren Island. It is the only active volcano along the chain of volcanoes from Sumatra to Myanmar. It is the India's only active volcano. It is situated to the east of Andaman and Nicobar Island. Question number 9. Consider the following statement. The greatest concentration of volcano occurs in the Pacific belt, also known as Pacific Ring of Fire. Hence, the Himalaya have no active volcanoes. About 2/3 of the world's volcanoes are located on the Pacific belt. Question number 10. Consider the following statement. 70% of the earthquake occurs in the Pacific belt. Japan experiences frequent earthquake because it is located on the melting point of two plates of the earth crust. The intensity of earthquake is measured on the Richter scale. Question number 11. Arrange the following cities in the sequence from south to north. Answer is Colombo, Dhaka, New Delhi, Islamabad, Beijing. Question number 12. Consider the following pairs regarding communities sometimes in the affairs of mentioned in the news. Answer: Kurd, Iraq; Madheshi, Nepal; Rohingya, Myanmar. Question number 13. Cold currents have cooling effect in the shore of Peru. Cold currents have cooling effect on the shore of Peru. The Peruvian current affects Peru year round and moderates the climate of chill in spring and summer when it displaces a subtropical center of high pressure. Question number 14. The strait which separates Asia from North America is the Bering Strait. Bering Strait, Russian Bering is a strait linking the Arctic Ocean with the Bering Sea and separates the continents of Asia and North America at their closest point. The strait averages 98 to 164 feet in depth and narrows to about 52 miles wide. Question number 15. A strong surface current that runs along the east coast of United States and carries warm water to Europe is Gulf Stream. The Gulf Stream is a strong ocean current that brings warm water from the Gulf of Mexico into the Atlantic Ocean. It extends all the way up to the eastern coast of United States and Canada. This strong current of warm water influences the climate of the east coast of Florida, keeping these temperatures there warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer than the other southern states. Since the Gulf Stream also extends towards Europe, its warm western European currents as well. It warms Western European countries as well. In fact, England is about the same distance from the equator as cold regions of Canada. Yet England enjoys a much warmer climate. If it were not for the warm water of the Gulf Stream, England would have a much colder climate. Question number 16. Consider the following statement with respect to rivers of Asia. The Yangtze is the longest river in Asia and the third longest in the world, behind the Amazon of South America and Nile of Africa. The Yangtze is considered the lifeblood of China. It drains 1/5 of the country's land area, is home to 1/3 of its population and contributes greatly to China's economy. Question number 17. Which of the following are correctly matched? Lake Urmia is an endorheic salt lake in Iran. The lake is located between provinces of East Azerbaijan and West Azerbaijan in Iran and the west of the southern point of the Caspian Sea. Lake Balkhash is in Kazakhstan. Lake Baikal in Russia. Lake Poyang in China. Question number 18. Which of the following is divergent plate boundary? Answer: the Great Rift Valley of East Africa, the East Pacific Rise, the Mid-Atlantic Ridge. The San Andreas Fault is not a divergent plate boundary. Question number 19. Which of the following is correctly matched? Grassland and region. Pannonian Steppe in Hungary is called Puszta. The Puszta is a grassland biome of the Great Hungarian Plain around the river Tisza in the eastern part of Hungary as well as on the western part of Hungary and in the Austrian Burgenland. The Hungarian Puszta is an enclave of the Eurasian steppe. Prairies in North America, downs in Australia, veldt in South Africa. Puszta in Hungary. Question number 20. Consider the following statement with respect to Caspian Sea. The Caspian Sea is the world's largest inland body of water, variously classed as the world's largest lake or a full-fledged sea. It is bounded by Kazakhstan from mid-north to mid-east, Russia from mid-north to mid-west, Azerbaijan to the southwest, Iran to the south and adjacent corner, Turkmenistan along southern parts of its eastern coast. Question number 21. Which plate is being subducted beneath western South America? Answer is the Nazca Plate. Question number 22. Consider the following statement. Mistral is a cold wind blowing in North America. Sirocco is a hot dry wind blowing across the North African coast. Which of the following are matched correctly? Tundra biome have very cold, harsh and long winters, cool summers, type of climate. Deciduous forests have relatively mild summers, cold winters. Desert generally very hot days and cool nights. Grassland cool in winters, hot in summer. Taiga very cold winters and cool summers. Question number 24. What is the correct sequence of occurrence of the following desert? North America continent. The correct sequence of occurrence of the following desert as one proceeds from west to east starting from North American continent is Great Basin Desert, Atacama Desert, Kalahari Desert, Gobi Desert. Consider the following with respect to highest mountain peak of Andes mountain range. The highest mountain peak in the Andes is Aconcagua, which stands at 6,968 meters and straddles the Argentina-Chile border. Aconcagua is the tallest mountain outside Asia. Question number 26. The Bedouins are inhabitants of the Arabian desert. The Bedouin are nomadic Arab tribe who have historically inhabited the desert region in the Arabian Peninsula, North Africa, the Levant and Mesopotamia. Question number 27. Consider the following statements with respect to Himalayas. The Himalayas are the mountain range in Asia separating the plains of the south of the Indian subcontinent from the Tibetan plateau. The Himalayas about or cross 5 boundaries: Bhutan, India, Nepal, China and Pakistan. Kanchenjunga is the third highest mountain in the world. Question number 28. Consider the following statements. The China type climate is found in Argentina. Question number 29. Which of the following countries are situated around Pacific Gulf? Persian Gulf. Persian Gulf is a Mediterranean sea in Western Asia. The body of water is an extension of the Arabian Sea, Gulf of Oman, through the Strait of Hormuz and lies between Iran to the northeast and the Arabian Peninsula to the southwest. Basin countries are Iran, Iraq, Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Bahrain, United Arab Emirates and Oman, enclave of Mashandham. Question number 30. Which of the following tribes and region to which they belong are matched? Maasai are the Nilotic ethnic group inhabiting northern, central and southern Kenya and northern Tanzania. Bushman Kalahari Desert. Bindibos Australia. Kyrgyz Asian steppes. Question number 31. The Horn of Africa includes Ethiopia, Djibouti, Somalia. The northeastern region of the African continent include the countries of South Sudan, Eritrea, Ethiopia, Djibouti and Somalia is known as the Horn of Africa since the group of countries form a horn-like landmass over the peninsula. Question number 32. Match the following. South eastern coast of USA, Florida current. West coast of South Africa, Venezuela current. Southwestern coast of South America, Peruvian current. Southeastern coast of Japan, Kuroshio current. Question number 33. The Atacama Desert is a part of which the following countries of South American continent? Answer. The Atacama Desert is a desert plateau of South America covering a 1,600 km strip of land on the Pacific coast west of the Andes mountain. It is present in Chile and Peru. Question number 34. Which of the following is a distinct region of savanna in Orinoco Basin? In South America, there are two distinct regions of savanna, north and south of the equator, namely the Llanos of the Orinoco Basin and Campos of the Brazilian highland. Question number 35. Which of the following are correctly matched? Tundra. Average annual temperature is minus 10 to 5 degrees centigrade. Precipitation range from 0 to 100 centimeter. Indicator plant species are woody shrubs, mosses, heaths and lichens. Indicator animal species hare, fox, lemming, caribou, polar bear. The second one, boreal forest. Temperature is 5 to 10 degrees centigrade. Precipitation range 25 to 200 centimeter. Plant species coniferous trees. Animals moose, beaver, bear, wolf. Temperate rainforest. Average temperature 5 to 20 degrees centigrade. Rainfall 150 to 350 centimeter. Plant species coniferous trees. Animals blue goose, clark, nutcracker, banana slug. Temperate seasonal forest. Annual average temperature 5 to 20 degrees centigrade. Precipitation range 52 to 25 centimeter. Plant species deciduous trees. Animal toad, squirrel, chipmunk. Next biome shrubland. Shrubland. Annual temperature minus 5 to 20 degrees centigrade. Rainfall 25 to 125 centimeter. Plant species drought resistant shrubs. Animals small nocturnal animals. Next grassland. Temperature minus 5 to 20 degrees centigrade. Precipitation 0 to 50 centimeter. Plant species grasses and non-woody flowering plants. Animal ungulating including bison, zebra, ungulates including bison, zebra, rhinoceros. Next, tropical rainforest. Average annual temperature 20 to 30 degrees centigrade. Precipitation range 250 to 450 centimeter. Plant species lush vegetation. Animal species great apes, monkey, sloth, toucan. Tropical seasonal forest. Temperature range 20 to 30 degrees centigrade. Precipitation range 50 to 275 centimeter. Plant species dense strands of shrubs and trees. Animal indicator scorpion, giraffe. Subtropical desert. Annual temperature 18 to 31 degrees centigrade. Precipitation range 0 to 100 centimeter. Plant species drought resistant plants. Animal indicator animal species camel and hyrax. Question number 36. Line of equator passes through which of the following countries of Asia? The line of equator passes through three countries in Asia. They are Maldives, Indonesia and Kiribati in Asia. Question number 37. Which one of the following climate is found in coastal areas of California North? Mediterranean. Mediterranean climate is found in coastal areas of California, North America, Central Chile in South America and southwest tip of West Australia. Question number 38. Match the following. Highest point and continent. Kosciuszko, Australia. Mount Aconcagua, South America. Vinson Massif, Antarctica. Mount Elbrus, Europe. Question number 39. Which one of the following statement correctly defines the term Karoo in South Africa? Answer. Steppes from the coastal lowland on to the high plateau. Question number 40. Strait of Tartary connects which of the following two water bodies? Answer. Strait of Tartary or Gulf of Tartary is a strait in the Pacific Ocean dividing Russian island of Sakhalin from main Asia, connecting the Sea of Okhotsk on the north while with the Sea of Japan on the south. Question number 41. On account of which of the following reasons we can say that Asia and Australia are one time were joined together? Based on the fossil of marsupials which are found in Asia, we can say that Asia and Australia at one time were joined together. Question number 42. Consider the following statement with respect to Amazon rainforest. The Amazon rainforest is the moist, broad-leaved tropical rainforest in the Amazon biome that covers most of the Amazon basin of the South America. 9 countries share the Amazon basin, most of the rainforest. 58.4% is contained within the borders of Brazil, and the other 8 countries include Peru with 12.8%, Bolivia with 7.7%, Colombia with 7.1%, Venezuela with 6.1%, Guyana with 3.1%, Suriname with 2.5%, French Guyana with 1.4%, Ecuador with 1%. Question number 43. The Chuquicamata mine is the largest open pit copper mine by excavated volume in the world. It is present in which of the countries of South America? Answer: Chile. Chuquicamata is the largest open pit copper mine by excavated volume in the world. It is located in the north of Chile, just outside Calama at 2,850 meters above sea level and 215 kilometers northeast of Antofagasta and 1,240 kilometers north of the capital Santiago. Question number 44. Consider the following statement with respect to South China Sea. The Gulf of Thailand and the Gulf of Tonkin are also parts of South China Sea. South China Sea is a part of Pacific Ocean. Which of the following countries In which of the following countries taiga bomb is found? Russia, United States, Canada. Taiga is found throughout the high northern latitudes between the tundra and temperate forests, from about 50 degrees north to 70 degrees north, but with considerable regional variation. Countries where taiga biome are found are Russia, Mongolia, Japan, Norway, Sweden, Iceland, Finland, United States, Canada, Scotland, St. Perry at Miquelon. Question number 46. The Strait of Dardanelles connects which two water body? Answer is the Strait of Bosporus connects Black Sea with Sea of Marmara. Dardanelles Strait connects Sea of Marmara with Mediterranean Sea. Question number 47. Which among the following countries lie at the junction of three continents? Asia, Africa, Europe. Answer: Cyprus. Cyprus lie at the junction of three continents: Asia, Africa, Europe. Question number 48. Which of the following rivers of Asia does not finally drains its water into Pacific Ocean? Answer is Salween River. The Salween is the Southeast Asian river about 3,289 kilometers long, flowing from the Tibetan Plateau south into the Andaman Sea. The Salween flow primarily within southwest China and eastern Myanmar, with a short section forming border of Burma and Thailand. Question number 49. Consider the following statements with respect to Central Asian region. Kazakhstan is the largest Central Asian country area-wise. Izayk-Kul is an endorheic lake in the northern Tian Shan mountain in eastern Kyrgyzstan. Three countries of Central Asia, Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan, Tajikistan, share their border with Afghanistan. Question number 50. Which of the following countries form lithium triangle in South America? Answer is Argentina, Bolivia and Chile. The lithium triangle is the region of the Andes rich in lithium reserves around the borders of Argentina, Bolivia and Chile. The lithium in the triangle is concentrated in various salt pans that exist along the Atacama Desert and neighboring arid areas. The largest ones include Salar de Uyuni in Bolivia, Salar de Atacama in Chile and Salar de Hombre Muerto in Argentina. Question number 51. The winter temperature of northwestern Europe are higher than those of eastern Europe in the same latitudinal zone because it lies under westerly winds which blow over the Gulf Stream drift. Question number 52. What is the correct sequence of occurrence of the following cities in Southeast Asia as one proceeds from south to north? Answer is Jakarta, Singapore, Bangkok, Hanoi. Question number 53. Which of the following pairs are correctly matched? Answer tundra region, lichens and mosses. Question number 54. The famous Serra Grande gold mine is located in which country? Answer Brazil. The Serra Grande gold mine is a gold mine located 5 km from Crisante Goiás state of Brazil. It is jointly owned by Anglo Gold Ashanti and Kinross Gold Corporation, who are equal partners. Question number 55. Match the following cities and natural regions. Darwin, tropical monsoon type. New, Ori- New Orleans, China type. San Francisco, Mediterranean type. Vancouver, West Europe type. Question number 56. The enclosed sea of low latitudes like the Sargasso Sea and Mediterranean Sea have high bottom temperature. This is due to high insolation throughout the year and lesser mixing of warm and cold waters. Question number 57. Which among the following has been formed due to the consequent warming and thermal expansion of the uppermost mantle? When the lithosphere underlying a broad area is heated up rapidly, example by an upwelling of hot material in the underlying asthenosphere, the consequent warming and thermal expansion of the uppermost mantle causes an uplift of the overlying surface. Thus, those caused by thermal expansion of the lithosphere are usually associated with hot spots. The Yellowstone Plateau in the United States, the Massif Central in France, the Ethiopian Plateau in Africa are prominent examples. Colorado Plateau, the Ordos Plateau in North China, or the East African highlands do not seem to be related to hotspots or to vigorous upwelling in the atmosphere. Question number 58. Which of the following statements regarding the Pacific Ring of Fire are correct? The Ring of Fire is a direct result of plate tectonic, that is the movement and collision of lithospheric plates. It is most seismically active region of the world, as about 90% of the world's earthquakes occur along the Ring of Fire. Question number 56. The enclosed sea of low latitudes like the Sargasso Sea and the Mediterranean Sea have high bottom temperature. Answer: due to high isolation throughout the year and lesser mixing of warm and cold waters. Question number 57. Which among the following have been formed due to consequent warming and thermal expansion of the uppermost mantle? When the lithosphere underlying a broad area is heated rapidly, example by an upwelling or hot material in the underlying atmosphere, the consequent warming and thermal expansion of the uppermost mantle causes an uplift of the overlying surface. Those caused by thermal expansion of the lithosphere are usually associated with hot spots. The Yellowstone Plateau in the United States, the Massif Central in France, and the Ethiopian Plateau in Africa are prominent examples. Colorado Plateau, the Ordos Plateau in northern China, or the East African highlands do not seem to be related to hotspots or to vigorous upwelling in the atmosphere. Question number 58. Which of the following statements regarding Pacific Ring of Fire are correct? The Ring of Fire is a direct result of plate tectonic, that is the movement and collision of lithospheric plates. It is the most seismically active region of the world, as about 90% of the world's earthquake occur along the ring of fire. Question number 59. With reference to monsoon of eastern Asia and southern Asia, consider the following statement. Winter monsoon in eastern Asia is stronger than summer monsoon, while it is the opposite in southern Asia. The burst of monsoon over southern Asia is associated with turbulent weather, whereas that of East Asia is characterized by mild weather disturbance. Question number 60. Consider the following list. The plateaux are famous for minerals. The plateau of France is Massif Central. The Deccan Plateau of India. Katanga Plateau of Congo, that is copper mines. Western Australian Plateau, that is Kimberley Plateau, the diamond mines. And Brazilian Plateau, that is Brazilian Highlands, are very good source of minerals. Iron, copper, gold, diamonds, manganese, coal, etc. are found in this plateau. East African Plateau is famous for gold and diamond mining. In India, huge reserves of iron, coal, and manganese are found in the Chota Nagpur Plateau. Question number 61. Which of the following climate type is experienced in the Guinea coast and eastern Brazil of South America? Answer is tropical marine. Tropical marine climate is experienced in the Guinea coast and eastern Brazil of South America. This type of climate is experienced along the eastern coast of tropical lands, receiving steady rainfall from the trade winds all the time. Question number 62. Consider the following match: ocean zone and description. Bethnic zone. It is the ecological region at lowest level in ocean. Pelagic zone. It consists of water column of the open ocean. Abyssal zone. It is the layer of pelagic zone of the ocean. Littoral zone. It is the part of water body that is close to shore. Question number 63. Consider the following statement. Days and nights are longest in June and December, respectively, in the northern hemisphere. Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn represent the farthest northern and southern limits of the sun's vertical rays, respectively. Question number 64. The countries which are called the rice bowl of Asia are Myanmar, Thailand, Cambodia, and Vietnam. Question number 65. Consider the following statement with respect to Somali jet stream. The Somali jet occurs during the summer over northern Madagascar and off the coast of Somalia. The jet is most intense from June to August. It is a major cross equatorial flow from the southern Indian Ocean to the central Arabian Sea. Question number 66. Which coral reef is also known as the diver's paradise? Answer: Bonaire Reef. Bonaire Reef, also known as the Diver's Paradise, lies in the Dutch Caribbean. It features multicolored corals in the breathtaking display. They come in bright blue, green, yellow, purple, and pink hues. But the corals are not the only attraction here. Bonaire also has crystal clear waters. Angelfish, groupers, sea turtles, and seahorses are just some of the aquatic species that can be found in Bonaire Reef. Question number 67. The main area of production of icebergs is found in the west coast of Greenland. The principal origin of those icebergs that reach the North Atlantic Ocean are the 100 or so major tidewater glaciers of west coast Greenland. Question number 68. Aral Sea is situated between which of the following two countries of Asia? Answer: Kazakhstan and Uzbekistan. The Aral Sea was an endorheic lake lying between Kazakhstan in the north and Uzbekistan in the south, which began shrinking in the 1960s and had largely dried up by the 2010s. Question number 69. The Mediterranean region are rich in land resource and warm temperature ensures a fairly long growing season. Wine regions with Mediterranean climates are characterized by their long growing seasons of moderate and warm temperatures. throughout the year. There is little seasonal change, with temperatures in the winter generally warmer than those of maritime and continental climates. Fruit production is largely concentrated in the Rhone and Garonne Valley and in the Mediterranean region. Winemaking are concentrated principally in Languedoc, Roussillon, and in the Bordeaux area, that is in southern France. Question number 70. Consider the following statement about Anatolian Plateau. Anatolian Plateau is known as Asia Minor. Most of the Turkey lies on this plateau. It is an intermountain plateau lying between Pontiac and Taurus mountain ranges. Tigris and Euphrates river flow through this plateau. Precious wool producing Angora goats are found here. Question number 71. Polar bears are carnivorous and prey on many Arctic birds and fish. However, under natural condition, no one found polar bears predating any penguin. This is because polar bears and penguin never coexist under natural condition. The former lives in North Pole while the latter lives in the Southern Pole. Question number 72. Which which of the following climate type is experienced in Guinea coast and eastern Brazil of South America? Answer: tropical marine. Question number 73. Mount Fuji in Japan, Mount Rainier in Washington, Mount Shasta in California, Mount Vesuvius in Italy, Mount St. Helens in Washington are the examples of which volcanic type? Answer: composite. Question number 74. Which one of the following is correct sequence of the climate region while going from Zaire to Netherlands? The correct sequence of climate region while going from Zaire to Netherlands are equatorial, hot desert, Mediterranean climate, West European climate. Question number 75. Which one of the following is correct sequence of given continents in the decreasing order of their percentage on Earth? Answer: Africa, North America, South America, Europe. Question number 76. Consider the following statement. Continental plateaus are formed either by an extensive continental uplift or by the spread of horizontal basic lava sheets completely covering the original topography. This kind of plateau shows an abrupt elevation in contrast to the nearby lowland or sea. The continental plateaux are also known as plateaus of accumulation. Example: plateau of Maharashtra is an example of the continental plateau. Question number 77. Which of the following statements are correct? Steppes are the temperate grassland in southeast Europe and Siberia. Pampas are temperate grassland of South America. Forests with trees which do not shed their leaves seasonally are called evergreen forest. Which of the following factors affect the productivity of aquatic system? Sunlight, oxygen are the most important limiting factor of the aquatic system. Sunlight, oxygen and temperature. Prairies are the temperate grassland of North America. Question number 79. Consider the following statements. The extratropical cyclone cover a large area and can originate over the land and sea, whereas tropical cyclone originate only over the sea. The extratropical cyclones have a clear frontal system which is not present in tropical cyclone. The extratropical cyclone affects a much larger area as compared to the tropical cyclone. Question number 80. The shortest day in Australia will be June 21st. The region which does not receive most of its rainfall during winter is Central North America. Katabatic wind is cool air of high plateaus and ice fields. Katabatic wind is the technical name for a drainage wind and a wind that carries high density of air from the higher elevation down a slope under the force of gravity. Question number 83. Which of the following is about fronts? Fronts are characterized by the steep gradient in temperature and pressure. They bring abrupt changes in temperature. Question number 84. Consider the following statements. Loess Plateau is located in China, southeast of the Gobi Desert and surrounded by Yellow River. The soil here is made of fine particles brought by wind. Fine, this loamy soil is extremely productive. Crops grown in this soil along the Yellow River give great yields. Because of the strong winds, erosion is also powerful across in the Loess Plateau. Therefore, erosion features including wind, escarpment, loess, vertical joint, and gullies are present. Question number 85. This plateau is situated in northern plateau in Punjab region of Pakistan. Its average salt range is located to the southwest of the plateau. Name the plateau. Answer is Potwar Plateau. Potwar Plateau is situated in the northern plateau, Punjab region of Pakistan. Its average salt range is located to the southwest of the plateau. Question number 86. The ideal condition for flying jet aircraft was provided by stratosphere because there are no clouds and other weather phenomena. Question number 87. Which of the following has the lowest salinity? Answer Black Sea. Salinity is very low in Black Sea due to enormous freshwater influx by rivers. The salinity of the Great Salt Lake, the Dead Sea, and the Lake Van is 220, 240, and 330 respectively. Question number 88. What is Tuba Taha Reef Natural Park? Where is Tuba Taha Reef Natural Park located? Answer Philippines. Two atolls make up the amazing reef. They boast 600 fish species and 360 coral species. Tuba Taha has 11 shark species, 13 dolphin and whale species, and an abundance of bird. You can also spot hawkbill and green sea turtles swimming here. These creatures only prove how diverse this Philippine National Park is. In 1993, UNESCO declared Tuba Taha a World Heritage Site. Its pristine reef, extensive lagoon, and two coral lagoons helped the area gain this distinction. Question number 89. Which of the following are correctly matched? The Taklamakan Desert is located in Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region of China. It is surrounded by mountains to the north, south, and west, and the Gobi Desert in the east. The Taklamakan occupies an area of 337 square kilometer, which is nearly equal to the size of Germany. 85% of the desert comprises of shafting sand dunes, making it the second largest shafting sand desert in the world. Other Gobi Desert in China, Thar Desert in India, Dastev Kavi Desert in Iraq. Question number 90. Which of the following country is not a part of Indian subcontinent? Answer Myanmar. The Indian subcontinent, or simply the subcontinent, is the physiological region of South Asia. It is situated on the Indian plate and projecting southwards into the Indian Ocean from Himalayas. It generally includes the countries of Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Maldives, Nepal, Pakistan, and Sri Lanka. Question number 91. The largest fish exporting region in the world is the Northwest Pacific region. Question number 92. Which of the following countries is the richest coal producing nation in Europe? Answer Germany. Question number 93. Consider the following statement. The Arabian Sea shows higher salinity due to high evaporation and low influx of fresh water. The North Sea, in spite of location in higher latitudes, records highest salinity due to more saline water brought by the North Atlantic Drift. Baltic Sea records low salinity due to influx of river waters in large quantities. The Mediterranean Sea records higher salinity due to high evaporation. Salinity is, however, very low in Black Sea due to enormous fresh water influx by rivers. Question number 94. Climate is extreme, rainfall is scanty, and the people used to be nomadic holders. For which region is this statement correct? Answer Central Asian steppes. Question number 95. Which one of the following pairs are matched correctly? Gulf of Aqaba, Jordan. Ligurian Sea, Greece. Cardigan Bay, UK. The Ligurian is an arm of Mediterranean Sea. It lies between the Italian river uh, Riviera and island of Corsica. The sea is thought to have been named after the ancient Ligurian people. Question number 96. Which one of the following pair is correctly matched? Kuroshio warm ocean current, Benguela cold ocean current, Oyashio cold ocean current. The Labrador Current is a cold current in the North Atlantic Ocean which flows from the Arctic Ocean south along the coast of Labrador and passes around Newfoundland, continuing south along the east coast of Canada near Nova Scotia. Question number 97. Which among the following are most common minerals found in rocks? The feldspar mineral family is the most abundant. Quartz, calcite, and clay minerals are also common. Some minerals are more common in igneous rock formed under extreme heat and pressure, such as Olivian, feldspar, pyroxene, and mica. Feldspar and quartz are the most common minerals found in rocks. Question number 98. Stable interior portion of continent characteristically composed of Asiatic crystalline basement rock is called craton. The term craton is used to distinguish the stable portion of the continental crust from region that is more geologically active and unstable. Cratons can be described as a shield in which the basement rock crops out at the surface and platform in which the basement is overlaid by sediments and sedimentary rock. The stable interior portion of the continent, characteristically composed of ancient crystalline basement rock, is called craton. Question number 99. Which of the following are correctly matched? Titicaca Lake, Bolivia; Nahul Hupi Lake, Argentina; Lake Lanquihue, Chile. Lake Maracaibo is the largest brackish tidal bay in Zulia, Venezuela, and an inlet of the Caribbean Sea. It is sometimes considered as lake rather than the bay or lagoon. It is connected to the Gulf of Venezuela by Tablazo Strait, which is 5.5 km wide in the northern end. Question number 100. Consider the following statement. A earthquake, example 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami. Volcanic eruption, example tsunami caused by the violent eruption of Krakatoa in 1883. Landslide, tsunami caused by collapse of a section of Anak Krakatoa in 2018. Underwater explosion, meteorite impact, etc., have the potential to generate a tsunami. The Pacific among the ocean has witnessed a great number of tsunami.